In this video, I go on an intro to gravel ride organized by the RidAventure group. We do lots of gravel. I get some great tips on positioning. Stick around to the end and watch me embarrass myself. Woohoo!
Welcome to Ontario! Well, not as adventurous as Itchy Boots, but still a little mini adventure for me. I'm off to meet a bunch of people going on a ride organized by RidAventure, and we're meeting in Lachute. And they have two rides organized today. One for people who are just starting off in adventure riding, so it's going to be a mix of asphalt and gravel. That's the one I'm doing. And then they have a gravel route that's supposed to be for people who have 1 to 2 years experience. I'm sure I could have done that one, but this first year I'm just taking it easy. And we'll see how it goes. I'm looking forward to it.
It started off really great. We went on some roads that I'd never been on before and some nice gravel. And it's cool going on these organized rides. Get to meet some new people, get to see some new areas and new routes. So all around, it's all good. This is Erwan. He organized the ride today, so he's obviously cool. And oh, look at that! He rides a Tuareg! Geez, he's cool and smart. It's a good thing I wasn't a little bit taller, otherwise I would have head-butted this drone.
Salut. Oui, monsieur.
Yes, sir. Bon, il y avait un gros maringouin, il m'a emmené.
Ouais.
Il m'a l'envoyé dans le cœur.
Ben, c'était proche quand même.
Bon, à date, des questions par rapport aux positions techniques. Je suis là pour répondre à vos questions.
This is JP Tremblay from Moto Aventure. And he was there offering to answer any questions and help us out with some tips. I had only recently gotten my Alpine Stars Tech 5 boots and was finding it really uncomfortable switching gears while standing. So I asked him for some tips. He was great and took his time explaining some techniques, and we went on to discuss all kinds of riding positions. I'm finding the ADV community to be really great and helpful.
Si c'était un motocross que tu fais juste rouler debout tout le temps, je te dirais on va le lever puis ça va régler le problème. Mais étant donné que c'est une moto qui fait de la route aussi, il faut que tu cherches le compromis entre shifter assis et shifter debout. Donc, moi je te dirais, honnêtement, il est très bien placé, il est à la même hauteur que ton peg, il est très bien placé.
Ben, je l'ai levé un petit peu quand même.
Tu le mets comme ça, puis quand tu fais tes changements de vitesse, pense-y, fais juste te mettre le pied en dessous.
OK.
Sometimes you don't know what you don't know, so it was really nice having somebody there to help out. Turns out JP offers training for dual sport and ADV riders, and he operates under Moto Aventure. I plan on getting some training at the beginning of next season, and I'll add his website link in the comments below.
Cette partie-là, pour ceux qui ne savent pas, là, ça monte. C'est de la planche à laver. Donc, vous gardez le momentum, deuxième, troisième, toujours la même vitesse et debout s'il vous plaît. C'est bon? Go, vous pouvez y aller.
The GoPro really flattens things out, so it doesn't really appear like much of a hill, but it can be intimidating. We had a couple people in our group that had a bit of a hard time. We got caught in some rain, so we stopped and put our rain gear on.
The breeze feels good because I'm sweating like mad under all this gear.
Here I am, feeling like $1,000,000, standing up on my bike, riding in front of all these people looking at me. But just as I'm about to stop and get off the bike, my rain pants get caught in my peg and I drop the bike like a big idiot. From hero to zero. So it was another great day riding. I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a good time putting it together. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff as always. It can help grow this channel. In the next episode will be the first of a multi-part series, and a bunch of us go on a 6-day ride around the Gaspé Peninsula. It's an epic ride, but starts off wet, really wet. And I have an issue with my Tuareg.